Planetary boundaries are a concept in environmental science that defines a set of 9 critical Earth system processes and associated boundaries. These boundaries represent the safe operating limits beyond which human activities may lead to abrupt and potentially irreversible environmental changes. The concept was introduced by scientists in 2009 to provide a framework for understanding the limits of the Earth's capacity to support human life and ecosystem stability. The concept presents a set of 9 planetary boundaries within which humanity can continue to develop and thrive for generations to come. These 9 processes regulate the stability and resilience of the Earth system. They include biodiversity loss, fresh water, land use, greenhouse gases, ozone-depleting chemicals, novel entities like plastic, concrete, synthetic chemicals, aerosols, and nutrient overload, reactive nitrogen and phosphorus from fertilizers. In 2009, 3 boundaries were already crossed: biodiversity loss, climate change, and nitrogen cycle, while others were in imminent danger of being crossed. The latest update of 2023 not only quantified all boundaries, but also concluded that 6 of the 9 boundaries have been transgressed. The 6 transgressed boundaries are biodiversity loss, climate change, nitrogen cycle, loss of biosphere integrity, land system change, altered biogeochemical cycles, phosphorus and nitrogen. This puts us in the danger zone where we, as well as every other species, are now at risk. The countries most affected by the transgression of planetary boundaries are primarily high-income countries. The United States is the biggest contributor, accounting for 27% of the world's excess material use. The European Union as a bloc is responsible for 25%, while other high-income countries such as Australia, Canada, Japan, and Saudi Arabia collectively account for 22%. On the other hand, alleviation of national-scale planetary boundary transgression has been achieved primarily in the US, China, Saudi Arabia, etc., while aggravation was incurred in Pakistan, Australia, Argentina, and so forth. Reducing the transgression of planetary boundaries is crucial for safeguarding the environment and promoting sustainable development. Some suggestions to help mitigate these transgressions include transition to renewable energy, protect biodiversity, sustainable agriculture, efficient resource use, water management, responsible land use, international cooperation, consumer awareness, scientific research, education and outreach, green technologies, circular economy, and so on. Combating the transgression of planetary boundaries is a global effort that requires the cooperation of governments, industries, communities, and individuals. By adopting these strategies and fostering a commitment to sustainable practices, we can work toward a more sustainable and resilient future for our planet.